everyone. I am M. Kumar Devi from SNS College of Technology, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So now I am going to discuss about full stack AI, foundation of AI, foundations of AI. So philosophy, logic, methods of reasoning, mind as physical system, foundations of learning, language, rationality. In in AI, philosophy, so logics, methods of reasoning, mind as physical system, foundations of learning, language, rationality we discussed. In mathematics, so formal representation and proof, algorithms, for example, algorithms, computations, and basic ability, intractability, and probability we discussed. Economics, utility, so decision theory, rational economics agents, neuroscience, neurons as information processing units, physical substrate for mental ability, foundations of AI. Philosophy, how do people have perceive, process information, represent knowledge, phenomena of perception and motor control, experimental techniques. Computer engineering, so building fast computers, so control theory, cybernetics, design systems that maximize and function over time. Linguistics, knowledge representation, example grammar. Philosophy, 828, BC present. Can formal rules be used to draw valid conclusions? How does the mind arise from a physical brain? Where does knowledge come from? How does a read to action? Second, formal rules to be used to draw valid conclusion. Aristotle, 384 to 322 BC. Informal system of syllogisms for proper reasoning. Try to formulate laws of rational part of the mind believed in another part. Intuitive reason. So normal rule had the idea that useful reasoning could actually be carried out by a mechanical artifact. Thomas Hobbes, 1588 to 1679, proposed that reasoning was like numerical computation that we add and subtract in our silent thoughts. Automation of computation itself was already well underway. Leonardo da Vinci, 1452 to 1519, designed by, did not build a mechanical calculator. The first non-calculating machine was constructed around 1623 by the German scientist Wilhelm Schlicker, 1592 to 1635. Base Pascal, whereas the Pascal could only add and subtract. Some speculated that machines might not just do calculations but actually be able to think and act on their own is more famous. Pascal wrote that the Aristotelical machine produces effects which appear nearer to thought than all the actions of animals. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz built a mechanical device intended to carry out operations on concepts rather than numbers, but its scope was rather limited. How does knowledge lead to action? René Descartes gave the first clear discussion of the distance between mind and matter and of the problems that arise. Descartes was a strong advocate of the power of reasoning in understanding the world, a philosophy now called realism. Philosophy, dualism as materialism. René Descartes' dualism, part of mind that is outside of nature. An alternative dualism is materialism, which holds that the brain's operation according to the laws of the physics. Animals did not possess the dual quality. Materialism, Wilhelm Leibniz built a mechanical device to carry out mental operations, could not produce interesting results. So philosophy, source of knowledge, and embracing Francis Bacon. So John wrote, nothing is in the understanding which was not found in the senses. David Hume, principle of induction, general rules from repeated associations between their elements. So Bertrand Russell, logical positivism. All knowledge can be characterized by local theories connected ultimately to observation sentences that correspond to sensory inputs. The famous Quineac circle, led by Rutherford Calhoun, Carnap developed the doctrine of logical positivism. This doctrine holds that all knowledge can be characterized by logical theories connected to observation sentences that correspond to sensory inputs. Kapsloff book, The Logical Structure of the World, defined an epiplet computational procedure for extracting knowledge from elementary experiences. It was probably the first theory of mind as a computational process. Thank you.